Hello viewers, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make sambar without sambar powder or coconut. It's very easy and healthy and very tasty sambar. So let's have a look at the ingredients. I've taken some shallots or red onion or sambar onions, okra, chopped carrots, green chilies, and I also taken 1 cup of tur dal which I already cleaned and soaked in water, and salt to taste, hing or asafoetida, cumin or jeera, mustard seeds, turmeric powder, tamarind, lemon sized tamarind, jaggery, and curry leaves and cilantro, and I have coconut oil for seasoning. So first what I'm going to do is I'll be adding the chopped carrots in the tur dal. And I'm also going to add a little bit of turmeric powder. And I'm going to keep this in the pressure cooker for 3 whistles. I'm going to cook the tur dal first. Next I'm going to add coconut oil, mustard seeds, cumin, and turmeric powder. It's a very easy and tasty sambar. You can have this sambar for breakfast and for lunch too. And now I'm going to add the okra, onions, and green chili. I'm going to fry this. If you want, you can also add 1 tomato or brinjal. But if you're using tomato, just reduce the quantity of tamarind. Next I'm going to add the tamarind water. And let's allow it to cook. My okra is getting cooked. At this stage I'm going to add the jaggery. If you want a very spicy sambar, you can add some red chilies too. But here I used only green chili, and 3 green chili is good enough for me. So next I'm going to add salt. Now 3 whistles is over. I'm going to turn the pressure cooker off. My okra is almost ready. At this stage I'm going to add a little bit of roasted methi powder and hing. If you don't have methi powder, you can add methi seeds at the time of seasoning. The methi gives a very nice flavor to or aroma to your sambar. As you can see, my dal is very nicely cooked. Since I already soaked the dal before cooking, it's perfectly cooked. Now I'm going to add this dal in the sambar now. My okra also is very nicely cooked. So at this stage I'm going to add the boiled and cooked dal. And stir nicely. If you want, you can add some water to adjust the consistency. Now I added half cup of water to adjust the consistency. As you can see, it's neither too thick nor too thin. My sambar is looking great. Even the carrot, it gives a very nice color to my sambar. Now let's allow it to boil. My sambar has started boiling. At this stage I'm going to turn it off and I'm going to add curry leaves and chopped cilantro. That's it. My sambar is looking great. I'm getting a very nice aroma of okra and methi, cilantro and curry leaves. So please try this sambar and share your feedback. You can enjoy this sambar with dosa, idli, rice or even roti. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.